manifests, which refers to package.xml, and we can find it in our files. If we here there is package.xml, distribution of a package, and it serves to define dependencies between packages and to capture meta information about package like version and other things. So we will begin now in the file system tools. So as written here, code is spread across many ROS packages, navigating with command line tools such as, and here we see we can navigate through file system from the terminal through CD and LS, and we will see that here and in the coming tutorials, inshallah. So we will use ROSback. ROSback can get us information about packages, and here we can try it. We can find ROSback. We can find it by writing ROSback and find ROS CPP, and as you see here we got our file location. So it depends about on your distribution, if you install Kinetic or any other thing. For me, my location is that, no matter if it's different for you, if you have installed different version or anything else. So we will now use ROS CD, which is part of ROS bash suite, and it allows us to change directory CD to a package or a stack, and its usage like so: ROS CD and ROS, and we will write what we want after it. So as you see, we have opened our directory here, and we can write our command and see our path here. Great. So we can see that your install path is the same path that ROSback find in the previous example, and we can see that this path is the same as this path. Great. So there is a note here that like other ROS tools, we'll only find ROS packages that we are within directories listed in our ROS package path. So we will see what is in our ROS package path by typing that echo and ROS package path. We can copy and paste this and see what we will get. So alhamdulillah, we got this path, and as I told you previous, different version will lead to different paths. So we can navigate now through subdirectories. ROS CD can also move to a subdirectory of a package or stack. So we can try ROS CD, which we have explained at previously. So we can type pwd, and you can see we have got our path. Great, alhamdulillah. So ROS CD log will take us to the folder where ROS stores log files. Note that if you are if you haven't run any ROS programs yet, this will yield an error saying that it doesn't exist. Let's try ROS cd log. No active ROS core, so we haven't run any logs yet, so it got it to us. So we'll now begin in our ROS ls, which is part of our ROS bash suite, and it allow us to ls directly in a package by name rather than by absolute path. We can try ROS ls, ROS cpp, tutorials. So we got the same thing here. Okay, which is great. So tab completion, and here it explains that if you type a part of code and type tab key, it can complete it to you. So we can try it. ROS cd oh, it has completed it to me, and we can try a thing else. ROS cd and tur double tap, and it run it to me. It returned me an error, but we can fix it. We can say dot ROS log. So if we came out of this ROS cpp underscore tutorials and tried ROS cd turtle, it will run, but it didn't run because I entered inside the ROS cpp tutorial directory. So and here we have tried many things in the tutorials, and there is a bit which I would like to explain here. It have returned many things here which are also directories or packages inside our files. Thank you.